It's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to make another vegetable mix. Couldn't think of a better name? If you can think of a better one, let me know. It's going to be using all of the things you see here. It's going to be basically kale and mushrooms, but I also put in shredded carrot, onion, celery, veggie broth, and a few spices. Come on over to the stove and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, turn your heat to like a medium high, and the first thing you're going to put in is a half a cup of vegetable broth, or you could use water. Let that get hot, sort of a vigorous boil. You're going to add to it a half a cup of chopped onion. All the aromatics are going to go in first, and then you're going to do a stalk of celery. That's about a half a cup. And then 2 cups of mushrooms. I mixed up mushrooms. I just used the baby bellas, cremini, and shitake. Turn the heat down a little, and you're just going to stir. I started with a half a cup of water or vegetable broth. So you're going to let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Don't forget to put the lid on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. See all that water that came out? It was excreted from all those veggies. Now I'm going to put in 1 small clove of garlic. If you like garlic, put in more, but I only use 1. And you're going to put it in here. Get it all. And let that cook for about another 20-30 seconds. That was about 30 seconds. I'm going to now add the spices. 1.5 teaspoons of Italian spices. Then add a smidgen of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I used Himalayan, and another 1/2 teaspoon of just paprika, and put it all in. Stir that in for about a minute. That's all. This is 4 cups of kale chopped. Dump it in. And when you put it in your container, kind of pack it down, because it's a green leafy vegetable and it's going to cook down to almost nothing. I'm going to stir it up. Turn down your heat. And then we're going to put the lid back on to your pan and let it cook on a medium low and for about maybe 7 minutes. After 5 minutes, put in your grated carrots and then stir that up because it's not going to take long. Cook for about a minute and it'll be done. And only cooked about 6 minutes. So, but if you like your kale really, really done and soft, cook a little bit longer. So I'm going to taste this. This is a Berta dance. The kale is cooked the way I like it. So it's not so wilted and it's not so hard. It's right in between there. So you try this and see what you think. It's just another vegetable mix from Berta J. And then, as I said, eat it with your rice. You can eat it with millet. You can eat it with quinoa. Or throw it over a baked potato. It's good. The other thing I want to encourage you to do with this and any other vegetables you put together, if you would like, I've used this as a base for a sandwich. And 2 slices of bread, and this acts like the meat. You throw on some lettuce and tomato, and it's really good. A little bit of your whatever mayonnaise you use. So that's the end of the video, and don't forget to keep smiling. Well, I was going to say there was going to be a thing for 2023, but I think it's just going to be a thing from now on. You can smile all the time. Makes you feel better. Exercises your face muscles. So don't forget to smile, leave me some comments, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. And click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Until next time, troopers, bye for now.